Joins in his studio. Kunal, what's it looking like? Going by that last half hour, doesn't seem like, one should get excited at all by what the first half does, even if it's a strong rebound.
Yeah, I think gap up, gap down doesn't matter for the indices. What matters is what happens during the day for the index, and what are the sector points, what are the stock points which try and lead the charge on that particular day for the indices. But one of the very distinct data points what we saw yesterday, and was looking at the data for the FNO side, the participant side OI. For from the FNO side, we've seen a sharp reduction in the short positions across all the segments, FI, DI, proprietary as well as client. So that indicates that there was a very strong sort of unwinding from various hands which was seen yesterday, both on the index futures as well as on the stock futures side. So that indicates that we could be looking at a series of short covering for the index futures that could probably help index establish a base at this 22,800 mark for the Nifty. And I think if over the next couple of days, even if we settle into a range of 23,000 back, 23,000, 23,500, I think that could still be an indication that the market breadth would at least slowly and steadily start to improve.
Okay, hoping for a little bit of improvement, and fresh buying clearly seems to be emerging and continuing so within the large caps, and there's a clear disconnect over there. But Naresh as well is with us. Naresh, hi, good morning. What's it looking like for the market, given that we cooled off and sold into the uptick yesterday, couldn't quite sustain the gains, especially not so for the broader markets?
So the broader market has been hit much more than the index in the last two sessions. We've seen a sharp correction across the mid cap and the small cap space. The small cap indices are back to the lows or the band which it traded on the election day. So we can look at Nifty at 23,000 and the small caps are at 21, 22,000 band. So that tells you it's overdone in the near term, but there are no triggers. We need to wait for the budget to get over. Once that is over, there could be some recovery across the board. For now, we are in that band, oversold much more in the small cap and the mid cap, and Nifty has started seeing some bit of covering. So for now, another three sessions of consolidation now going forward.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.